Salaki, I didn't know it was playing. I don't know if it's connected to the Bluetooth or what the hell's going on. I don't know if you heard anything I said. Doesn't matter. We're gonna bring out some scriptures. How about that? All right, so the book of, what is this, Proverbs 25? Proverbs 22, verse 24. Make no friendship with an angry man, and with a furious man thou shalt not go. Why not? Lest thou learn his ways and get a snare to thy soul. Not to your flesh, a snare to thy soul. Now let's go back to verse 24. Make no friendship with the angry man. Right, now who is the angry? Well, now, if I'm out there going to a protest, I'm not going there to make friends. So I don't think they were going there to make friendship with a bunch of angry so-called Palestinians, right? And with a furious man thou shalt not go. So if everybody in your camp is not furious or whatever, y'all ready to go and teach or whatever, but you're going to a place where everyone is furious, if it says don't go with a furious man, why? Because then you're gonna end up being in the presence of a furious man. So don't go to where a bunch of furious people are at with no goddamn message, man. No. Okay, that's not it. Alright. We're gonna start with this video. We're gonna rewind back a little bit. It looks like Akbar threw something at the super lost sheep of Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. But it might be the lost sheep that are gonna stay lost. Alright? It might be the lost sheep that are gonna stay lost. We don't know yet. But Lord willing, this will wake all of them up. Lord willing. Now I done had guns pulled on me probably about six times. First time was to my head when I was 15, spring break of 99, 14. But I ain't never had nobody pull no trigger. These people done had a flash bomb go right off right next to them, whatever the hell that was. Who in the hell, first of all, let's go back to the scriptures. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 24. Make no friendship with the angry man. You make friends with the angry man, you go down to protest, the angry man got a pipe bomb. Or some sort of smoke bomb, whatever the hell that was. It was one of them things that make you go, You know what I'm saying? Arsenio Hall know all about that. One of them things right there, you don't go with no goddamn angry man, because he got something up his sleeve to help him release his anger. Whether it be a dumbass plan to swing on somebody or hurt somebody or swim across the river and grab a chair. Who knows what the hell these people are thinking, man? Matter of fact, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. We're going to get these scriptures. Matthew chapter 7, verse 6. Give not that which is holy unto the dogs. So, you got a bunch of people on the corner barking. A lot of scratching and sniffing going on. All right? What's holy? Holy means dedicated or consecrated to Yahweh. We just gonna leave it right there. Dedicated or consecrated to Yahweh in the name of Yahweh Shai. That's holy. All right? Now the prophecies, the scriptures, the seed line of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the sperm of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, that goes for the women as well, supposed to be, and the men, supposed to be holy. Right? Give not that which is holy unto the dogs. That means don't even give yourself to the goddamn dogs. All right? Now you could give some penis to these dog women for the other nations and bring back some more Israelite children, since the black women ain't worth shit. But if you find an Israelite woman, you know what, work with it, man. Well, made me think it's a box. A box said, you know, you try to, this was like 4 years ago, he said, you know, you could try to go and mess with the other women, these other races, man. We're cursed. Anyway, might as well get with the black woman and be cursed together. Yo, these women lovers, man. Multiplying women into yourself. And as I say that, I turn around and look at a beautiful Romanian-looking woman. Russian-looking woman. She's beautiful. I wanted to make sure she heard me say that. Salaki, y'all. Matthew 7:6. Give not that which is holy unto the dogs. Yeah, when I be telling women they beautiful to their face and all that, when I'm bringing out lessons, that's they're being carnal, so I'm mind give them something they can understand. They can't understand spiritual things. They can understand you're pretty, you're beautiful. Walk away with a smile. Next time you see me, you won't throw a flash bomb at me, right? Right? Oh, Lord willing. Because the watchmen for Israel, they almost got hit by a car. Can't make this up. The watchmen for Israel have put themselves in a situation to where they could be riding down their block with their scooter with their friend, and then the car come out the driveway and smack their ass. You know, I'm talking about real life, not like symbolically speaking. They've made themselves targets. These t-shirt fringes, all of the Israelites now, targets. All right, because of a bitch ass leader. Now he might not be a punk now. Because of a bitch ass leader who would tell a fucking faggy and his mother, who is also a faggy, what time camp is over, and meet us there. And when camp is over, they're there with nephew who got a fucking knife, who got on slides. You ain't come downtown with a knife and slides not to do nothing, and your auntie and your nephew sitting down on and watching you work. And the punk ass crew walk off, all 7, 8, 9, 10 of them, except for me. Now, no disrespect to Zion. He was the only brother who snapped me out of it. Was like, yo, Iquab, come on, man. Like, he said it in a, like, what the fuck is you doing voice? And I was like, damn, what the fuck am I doing? You know what I'm saying? That's the leader of the Watchmen for Israel. Start shit and then run the fuck off. That's what women do. That's not what soldiers do. That's not what men do. It's what women do, man. Matthew 7:6. Give not that which is holy unto the dog. So don't go to no freaking campaign, no pep rally, no nothing, man. You don't go to the college football game. You don't go to none of that crap where all the dogs is at looking for something to hump or a place to wag their tail and have their tongue out, panting all over the place. Try and preach the gospel, man. Or try and do whatever the hell you was doing. Because you wasn't going there to preach the gospel. Because who the hell was you preaching it? There wasn't Israelites there, man. And if they was, they're in gross darkness. right? Matthew 7:6. Give not that which is holy into the dogs, neither cast ye your pearls before swine. These niggas ain't had no pearls. They didn't have no pearls to cast. Neither cast ye your pearls before swine, lest they trample them under their feet and turn again and rend you. And that's what would have happened if the police wasn't there, they would have gotten murdered. Point blank, period. All right. If the police wasn't there, they would have killed the real Jews because of what the Israelis had done to their people, or to their to their Muslim brotherhood. Oh man, everything go together perfect. Matter of fact, fuck that, man. And I tell him to his fucking face, man. Naquan, you've been compromised. I don't know when, but you've been compromised. All right, my first 30, 40 days when I was with the camp, after the pull-up boys trial of the century, AZ trial of the century. After the pull-up boys trial of the century, downtown Brooklyn, all of a sudden I became a camper to Watchmen for Israel instead of just going there and watching like I want to do with out here in Cleveland, right? I just want to come, watch, and that's it. I don't need no donation. Hey, what's this way? What's that way? None of that. Just want to come watch, right? That's all I was doing for the Watchmen of Israel. Coming and watching, right? I go to the pull-up boys trial, come back to Baltimore, and now I'm in the camp. Because the Mafia guy says we got the Watchmen of Israel in the building, right? Now, then I start going and hanging with them after camp. Nothing wrong with anything that went on. Nothing wrong with anything that went on after camp. So there's nothing to mention. Anything I will mention will make the Israelite thing seem fun and glamorous, right? So we there after camp at the little spot, at the spit out, and I'm telling everybody about me. The martyrs of Yahushua was there. Hezekiah, Yahbashim Yahushua, have mercy on Hezekiah. Baba Kasha. Hezekiah was there. And I'm telling them, fresh out the street, I'm telling them what's going on. I'm like, I was just left this life. I still got this. I still got that. Yo, Hezekiah was like, get rid of that shit. But long story short, hold on, let me stop telling everything. Long story short, I was like, I done been locked up out Baltimore for gun charge, blah, blah, blah. I done been locked up there. Naquan and Amos was like, gun charge? You supposed to be locked up, man. You ain't supposed to be free. I'm like, nah, you know what I'm saying? It was the gun was registered. I'm not a felon. I know who gave me I know the gun was a gift. I know who gave me the gun. I knew their name. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, nah, everything cool. They was like, nah. You're supposed to be locked. Basically, they turned into lawyers. They turned into prosecutors. They turned into the goddamn police as far as what the law said. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, nigga, you know how many times I said it? First of all, this ain't my first gun charge. Second of all, you know how many times I've been in jail? I probably been in jail more times than however many years y'all niggas is. First of all, nigga, you're not gonna tell me about how the jail shit, how the court procedures work, nigga. And second of all, nigga, you're not gonna tell me about how no gun charge shit work when I done went through the shit. But the whole time that shit rubbed me the wrong way, not in the wrong way like I ain't fuck with them, but I'm just coming out the streets, nigga. I'm on code red. My antenna is all the way up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, yo, you giving me like, who are you? Like, what do you know? Like, how do you know the law to where you gonna tell me what the fuck my mandatory minimum or my mandatory was supposed to be when I'm telling you all of the reasons why it shouldn't? Nah, nigga, I ain't snitch on nobody. Nigga, I don't got to snitch on nobody. All right? I'm not a felon. The gun is registered. I know who it's registered to. You're allowed to give a gun as a gift. That's the end of the story. That's the law. You know what I'm saying? Point blank, period. So, only thing they could charge me with was misdemeanor concealed weapon because it was inside of a vehicle. But that shit always rubbed me the wrong way as far as like my radar with like the police type shit. Same thing with Chicago. And I ain't even talking about the Watchmen for Israel. Something rubbed me the wrong way about this video yesterday. Gave me a lot of informant vibes, police vibes. But anyway, that's for Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai to reveal. And the same thing with the Watchmen for Israel. I don't know what's up with Naquan, but I know what's up with Naquan, nigga. You act too smart to be so dumb. To give a 4 or 5 hour, this ain't the mark of Karagma. Nigga, the word mark has a definition. Matter of fact, let's get it, man. Salakia, y'all. Salakia for the rant. Should go to Ezekiel 9. We're gonna do this real quick. The Watchmen for Israel is through. Alright? And I don't know what the fuck you got to make all of us look retarded, nigga, but it don't work like that. Because Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai is a special covering over men, women, and children. Alright? They're still gonna go through hell though. But they'll receive heaven first. So the word here, it might say it later, I don't know. Karagma, all right, a stamp, an imprinted mark. A scratch or etching, a stamp as a badge of servitude. So Revelation chapter 13, verse 16. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a badge of servitude, a scratch, a etching in their right hand or in their foreheads, so they could serve and get paid. All right, period. Servitude, so you can serve and get paid. Now let's go to we're not gonna go to mark them that cause divisions. We're gonna give a little hope. Zechariah chapter 9, verse Salaki. That's what I get for talking shit. Zechariah. No, it's not Zechariah. Salaki, y'all. Zechariah cussing me out. So you need to read me out loud. Salaki. Zechariah, here we go. Ezekiel chapter 9, verse 6. Mark.
Strong's H8420. Tav.
Now was the great Naquan, a watchman for Israel, Adam Abbott, too fucking dumb to know the difference between mark, them that cause division, mark on their forehead or on their right hand on their forehead, or set a mark upon them that sigh and cry? What's this mark? A marker? Nigga, you not gonna look and see? You the great Naquan? You sound so college. People say, yo, they seem like they some college kids. Like back in 2019, people used to be like, yo, they seem like they some college kids. Like they real smart college kids. But like in that movie, Jason's Lyric, when the nigga came up, bought some goddamn drugs, and the other nigga said he used to be the smartest nigga in the class. The other nigga said couldn't have been that smart. That's how these niggas is, man. You couldn't be that goddamn smart. Ecclesiasticus chapter 11, verse 10. My son, meddle not with many matters. What the hell does this shit got to do with us? With our salvation. My son, meddle not with many matters, for if thou meddle much, thou shalt not be innocent. And if thou follow after, thou shalt not obtain, neither shalt thou escape by fleeing. Man, if they would have ran, it would have been like dogs chasing a cat. All right, Ezekiel chapter 14, verse 9. And if the prophet be deceived when he have spoken a thing, so whatever prophet said, yo, we need to go out there. Or whatever prophet said, yo, y'all could go out. Now, don't get me wrong. Matter of fact, I got to start, yo. I'm not going to say it out my mouth right now. But I got to start, I'm going to say it. I got to start acting like I'm a prophet. All right, not Kwame get out there, he prophesies and shit. But he's a false prophet. He doesn't prophesy 100% truth. Ezekiel chapter 14, verse 9. And if the prophet be deceived when he have spoken a thing, I, the Lord, have deceived that prophet, and I will stretch out my hand upon him and will destroy him from the midst of my people. Yasha Allah. Alright? So now Kwame done fucked up, man. Watchmen for Israel done fucked up. You're not supposed to be out there doing what the hell they want to do, man. Luke chapter 15, verse 3, when it comes to this gospel. And he spake this parable unto them, saying, if you weak to the flesh, all right. But if you weak come on, man. You're supposed to be strong in the spirit of Yahweh Shem Yahweh with this truth when you bringing this shit out. Not be weak enough to go and Anyway, Luke chapter 15, verse 3. And he spake this parable unto them, saying, nah, man. That's a good one though. But I gotta go. Bus is here. Yeah, so hopefully one of those sheep won't be lost. All right. Yahweh Shem Yahweh is gonna rejoice. Why that shit saying